again.
Nhớ tạo màu cho hai
And go and make that active.
khung viền đây nó được khắp.
And then extract our surfaces. So I now have my drive surfaces on the drive surfaces user layer. Let's go to my machining style, apply it. And we can see it's applied straight away without displaying the dialog box again. But what we now have is, if we run the simulation, we can see we have our solid tool holder, and that looks great, except for the fact that it's going straight through our job. Well, when we apply the 5-axis tool paths, they are always going to keep the tool normal to the surface. So now what we need to do is introduce the gouge detection with the tool holder. Of course, the problem in the past was if we had our solid tool holder, we didn't have those options. Let's stop the simulation and we'll go and modify our machining to introduce the gouge check. So straight to the gouge check tab. There's no reason to change any of the settings because I'm happy with those, and I'm going to introduce a check against the arbor and the holder. I'm not going to retract the tool, I want to tilt the tool, and I'm going to use my lead lag angles this time. So let's go and pick our check surfaces. These are the areas that we want the tool holder to be checking for collisions against. Say finish, and then we'll say OK and let it reevaluate the tool path. Now when we run the simulation, we can see that our tool holder is moving, tilting, but now if we look from the end, we can see that we are not colliding with the part anymore. Let's start by looking at the part, and